Hey, what's up everybody, welcome back to HacKyNerDz. Today we will continue our command line series and discuss about the command cat. So without wasting much time, let's begin.
This is the future.
So first let me open my terminal from Ctrl, Alt and T. So the command cat is most frequently used command and very useful command for every Linux user. So let's see how to use this command. So just write cat and then hit enter. So you can see the cursor here. Now whatever you type here, this will just echo the same line. I mean that it will just print the same line that you typed here. Like type any random text and hit enter. So it will just print that line. Alright. Now press Ctrl C or Ctrl D to exit. So that's the first use of our cat command and it's very basic. Now the most common use of this command is displaying the text files. So let's see how we can do this. First let me clear the screen. Now I created some text files here on my home directory. As you can see here, name, name1 and name2. So we are going to print the content inside these files. So first let me open one file. So as you can see, there are 4 lines here. So let's see how to print this all stuff on our command line. So just type cat and then the name of the file. In our case that is name.txt and then hit enter. As you can see, it printed all the lines including the blank lines. So clear the screen and let me close this one. Now if you want to print multiple files content on your command line, like I want to see the content which is inside my name1 and name2 both at the same time. So let's see how we can do this. So just type cat and the name of the files, name1.txt and name2.txt and then hit enter. It will print all the content which is inside my name1.txt and name2.txt. So let's see. So this is our name1 file and let me open my name2 as well. And this is our name2 file. So as you can see, the contents in name1 file there is random words and in name2 files there is random numbers. So the cat command printed all in our screen. Alright, now clear the screen. So now let's say I want to print line numbers before every lines. So to print line numbers, you just need to type cat name.txt, but this time you will need to type -b here and then hit enter. As you can see, it just printed the line number before non-blank lines. It didn't print the line numbers in our blank lines. So if you want to print the line number before every line like blank and non-blank lines, then just you need to type -n here, remove -b and then type -n and hit enter. So as we can see here, it printed the number before every lines. Now let me clear the screen. Now let's take an easy example that I have multiple line break in my name.txt file, but I want to remove all the unnecessary lines. First let me open my name.txt file. And as you can see here, there is multiple line break here, but I just want to print all the non-blank lines. So just type -s here, remove this -n and type -s and hit enter. So this -s will squeeze all the unnecessary lines except one blank line and print all the necessary content here. Now let's clear the screen. So now let's see how we can create new files from our cat command. To create new files, type cat and then this angle bracket here and then the name of your file, like name3.txt, and hit enter. So it created the file here, but this file is blank now. So type anything and then press Ctrl C. Now let's check the content inside our name3 file. So cat name3.txt and hit enter. So it saved our content. Now let's say I want to add some new lines in my name3.txt. To do that, Again, let's run the same command and hit enter and type any lines and press Ctrl C, and let's check the content inside our name3.txt file. So as you can see here, it overrided our old file and created a new name3.txt file. So if you want to stop overriding and want to append new lines in your name3.txt file, so how we can do that? So type cat and then double angled bracket and then type your file name. Hit enter. Now type any stuff here and press Ctrl C to exit. Now let's check the content inside our name3.txt file. So as you can see, it appended new lines in our name3.txt file. Now let me clear the screen. Now there is another interesting thing here. Now if you want to combine multiple files and want to store the content inside a single file, then how we can do that? So to do that, we just need to type the name of the files like name1.txt space name2.txt and then angle bracket name3.txt. But as we discussed before, this angle bracket will override our name3.txt file. But I want to append new lines in my name3.txt file. So type another angle bracket and hit enter. Now let's check the content inside our name3.txt file. So type cat space name3.txt and hit enter. As you can see, it appended all the content inside our name3.txt file. Now let's clear the screen. So that's all about today's video. If you enjoyed this and learned something new, then press that like button and share this with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. See you in the next video. Take care and bye bye.